So I know you guys are accustomed to cooking in the microwave. I don't do that. I just warm stuff in the microwave. So I don't have to do it the old-fashioned way and put it in aluminum foil and put it back in the oven like my mom used to do. And I know that a lot of you are already used to cooking in your air fryer, which I am not either. So I am stocking up for the next couple of weeks' meals. And I really love this one. I really love this one. So today, I was in a hurry to, hurry up and get something while I feel really good to be, cooking stuff. And I thought, okay, Tasha, stop being stubborn. Just use the fucking air fryer. You see, I know it's dirty because in that other house, it was so dark. I couldn't even see. Yeah, so now that I got tons of light, I got a lot of cleaning to do, Lucy. Anywho, so I said, well, let me go ahead and make some more orzo and cook up, some meals for the next. So right now I have like 3 weeks worth of meals already in the freezer and refrigerator. So I'm going to make some orzo and put this flaky stuff on top in that water to season the orzo, because this is really good. Whatever it is, it's really good. So I finally decided to start cutting up and using my damn thing. Yep, all those little bits are going in the pot with my orzo. What do I have to put in there? Spinach. Oh, let's take out some asparagus. I could have 2 different orzos. And, yeah, let's take that out. We'll put that in one orzo. And we'll put some asparagus in another. And some spinach in another. How's that? Yeah, squeezed air out as much as I could because I was too lazy to use the sucker outer vacuum sealer thingamajiggadale. And you know what? I could put that Boursin cheese in with my spinach. I think. Here, you go over there. So that's 1, let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, see, that's 3 meals. There. And I did it, and I gotta tell you, it is so good. Look at all those yummy juices in there that I'll put in the pot with my orzo. Oh man, I gotta tell you, I'm so happy I started buying that damn already almost cooked meat, or seasoned anyway, because I'm still learning how to cook. Well, that comes with having roommates for like 15 years, and you don't want to cook in their kitchen, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so let me separate these. And then, here, let's just get a bowl to put this in for right now. And then when I'm ready, I'm going to drop all this juice and stuff in a cup of water in the pot that I'm going to cook the orzo in. Come on. See, so I eat 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See, it's 4 meals. I wanted to knock this off though, but I guess it don't matter. It'll just go in the bottom. So yeah. Next time I'll buy a... You're not going to come off, are you? Okay, here, go this way. Because I'd like for those little crumblies. Okay, whatever. Just get in there. Thanks. Don't touch. Don't touch. I hate separating, y'all. And see, there's a really huge piece. I better cook that by itself or cut it in half or something. I gotta tell you, I'm really starting to love cooking. Here, we'll just leave those 3 in there by themselves. See, and then I'm gonna, and then I will take some of that and put it in the air sealer thing and put those in the freezer. Thoughts, ideas, suggestions? Where are you going? We can't go outside, Mama. No, we cannot. It's too cold. Excuse me. Okay? It's too cold. See? Here, just come smell the air. You won't want to go out. Okay? See? Here, let's get a little bit of fresh air in here for a split second. Okay, that's good. I don't want all my heat to go out the window, as Mama would say. And while that's cooking, I'm making some more clay earrings. And then I thought to put it in the witchmajigger, but I can't press it hard enough and have it stay nice and crescent moon like. See? So that means I got to get out the I think these are called dies also. I don't know. I forgot. So I thought maybe just oh, where's my powder? Oh, I'm using cornstarch. I can't find my powder. I gotta pour some out of there. Thank you. I don't know. I'm just being silly, having fun. And I hope you're being silly, having fun too. Okay, I gotta go back to pressing clay. You know, important stuff in life. Yeah. Or I would get the, stencil. That's the word I was thinking of earlier, dear. Stencil. And paint a different color on top of this. Or even paint a different purple on top of this, you know? Yeah, okay. Go have fun. Keep scrolling. I'm going to go back to listening to my scary ghost stories. Well, I don't care really how the back looks. And if you do, well, then don't buy these when I am finished. Or even a stamp. What stamp is small enough to put on here, like a little butterfly or something? Not a stamp, a sticker. Or a stamp. I could dip the stamp in like blank, but after I cook it, dip it in black ink, and then put it on there, and then put a layer of resin on top, huh? Yeah, I could do that. Okay, let me go play. Bye-bye.